This is my homemade electrolytic gold refining cell. You can see I have a pure gold anode bar there. I'm passing an electric current through it, and it dissolves, travels through the electrolyte, and plates out on a titanium cathode. Here I scrape the gold off of the cathode, and then I break it into pieces to make it easier to handle, easier to manage. And then once I get these pieces broke up, I transfer some of that gold into a melt dish so we can make a pure gold bar out of it. I measured out enough for 2 gold bars. Then I put it underneath a MAP gas torch and started melting the pure gold crystal. This gold melts like butter. It's ultra high purity gold. I'm using the same refining process that the Royal Canadian Mint uses to manufacture their 4/9 fine pure gold Canadian maple leaf coins. Here I'm pouring the first bar and then adding the second quantity of gold to melt the second bar. And here I just pick it up, the first bar, and just flip it into a tub of cool water to cool it down so I can handle it. Here I'm melting the second bar. This gold is ultra high purity because I used pure gold as the anode material for the electrolytic gold refining cell. Here I'm getting ready to pour the second pure gold bar into that mold. I like to get the graphite mold real hot because that helps produce a very uniform shaped pure gold bar. You can see here it came out nearly perfect. No traces of contamination on the surface of that bar. This is ultra high purity gold from my electrolytic gold refining cell. Now I'm going to pick it up and gawk at it for a few seconds because it's so beautiful to look at. Look at that thing, man. It's just gorgeous. And then I just flip it into the tub of water, and it accidentally makes contact with the other ice cold bar that's already in the tub of water. Oh my goodness. It actually welded those 2 bars together. Here's the 2 bars that we just melted. And somehow, when I drop the hot bar in on top of the other one, they actually welded together. Let's get a weight on these Siamese twins. That is just, I'm completely dumbfounded by that. Let's see what we got here. 280.1 grams in these 2 pure gold bars. And things look spectacular, man. Just beautiful.